Maybe you could find more kind.
2020. So, matagal tayo na hindi nag-upload. Kaya, ayan. Let's go! Yeah. 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 Wala tayong signature move for today's video. Kasi, upgrade agent na tayo. I need more practice. Normally, I can start prepare. Sabi ng agent natin. So, connections si ano. Ayan. Para game kasi sorry kung hindi ako nakapag-upload or content ng NBA kasi minsan kasi nalilimutan ko or nawawala talaga. Kaya iba-iba yung nako-content ko. Phoenix Suns versus Lakers. May isa akong kasama dito na vlogger. Kiyo 212. Shout out sa'yo, boy. Okay. Devin Booker. Pasa mo sa akin, boy. Fast, fast, fast. Fast, fast. Fast, 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 fast. Dali. Nice one. Oh my god. Oh my god. What a disaster is that? What kind of disaster is that? Ganda na pasa. Ganda ng play, guys. Ganda ng play. Ganda ng play. Nice one. Kobe. You take the man. Okay, guys. So, pasugod na tayo. Kobe. Ah. Need 81 points to be a Hall of Famer. Okay, depensa lang, depensa. Takbo dali. Defense, defense, defense. Nice one. Okay, guys. Sunod na tayo. Lead na natin. Kasi, maya. Oh, 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 oh. Di ka maiiwan. Ooh. Kyrie. Mang. Pang. Warm up pa lang ni Kobe, guys. Ayan, guys. So, ayan o. Switch. Alright. O, pasa mo sa akin, pasa mo sa akin. Libre ako, libre ako. Nice one. Nice pass. Pang! Okay, ganda na pasa, guys. Ganda. Ang ganda talaga. Eh, butay na pa sa ano. Nakupo na tayo ng ano. Shot clock. Okay, halftime report. Tingnan natin yung mga Dolobron. Get sa point 11, 1 rebound. Ganda ng highlight ng ano. Phoenix. Free throw. Tapos, ayun. Hey. Slide. Nice. Nice one. Welcome back, everybody, to the fourth quarter. No! Nice one. Nice. Quick isolation. Good shot selection. Time out agad. Wala po. Nag-uusapan na. Kailangan agad. Okay guys. Fourth quarter, 81 to 83. 6 points, 0 assists, 3 rebounds, 50 FG percent 50. Okay, so let's do. Sumabay ka pa. So panalo tayo. Subscribe guys.